What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll be able to learn how to see the sales analytics in the Pipedrive. So for that, the process is very simple. Just make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. The links will be in the description. Make sure to check it out as well. So once you're in the Pipedrive, go to the left-hand side and you will see there are deals options. So first go to the deal and you'll be redirected to this page. Once you're in the deal section, you will see that there are a bunch of deals that you have created. If you haven't created one, it means that you're just getting started with the Pipedrive. Once you start building your pipeline, you'll see the deals over here. So the deals shows the value, the value of that deal, what you're trying to do, what services you're selling, all the information related to the contact organization will be in it. So you can move it from one place to another. So it starts building your pipeline. Once the pipeline starts building, then you go to the insights and you'll be able to see the sales, sales insights and analytics. So you can go to the my report, create a report on whatever you want to, and then that would do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care.